Be blessed by the divine. Let's see what I've got for dinner on this beautiful day. Papaya and dates, once again, my great favorite food. And got some chutney here. The chutney has, it's got some coriander and looks like it's got some mint. Yeah, it tastes very nice. I've got some salads with cucumber, carrots mixed along with it, some organic brown rice, and brinjal and some vegetable mix kut. So this is the sabji that goes with the rice. Why do we eat plant-based diet? I asked my son, Dr. Achyutan Ishwar, this question and gave me a very simple explanation. Health of the body is directly proportional to the health of the cells. The health of the cells is determined by how well the mitochondria, the powerhouse, the generator, which is there inside each cell, functions. The mitochondria's health is determined by how much of phytonutrients with a lot of antioxidant property that goes into our bloodstream. Phytonutrients are available only in plant-based diet. When our blood is rich with phytonutrient quality, the cells absorb them, keep them with themselves. The mitochondria then neutralizes the ROS. I will make another video about what is ROS from my understanding of what my son has taught me. And you will understand that in simple language, when you eat a lot of plant-based diets, the free radicals, that is, the atoms minus an electron, which could damage the other cells and other atoms within the local condition, the local body, gets neutralized with extra electron that is supplied by the antioxidants. So eat well, live well, eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you. Be blessed by the divine.